Hi there, my lovely. This is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. Look what I have here in front of me. Are you ready? I mean, no, seriously, are you ready? This is not a clickbait. No, ma'am, this is not. This is a one ingredient. I mean, as in one ingredient. Vegan cheese. So, buckle up, you're gonna love it. This is versatile. This is delicious. You can flavor up however you want, or you can have it just like that, plain. Doesn't need anything. It does not need anything, just this one ingredient. And I'm gonna show you how I put it together because I know you're anxious. I know. So here it goes. So what is this ingredient that you're gonna need for that? Well, you need a unsweetened, plain, vegan yogurt. You heard me, and that's all. Now, you need a yogurt that it's number one, unsweetened, and number two, that has high content of fat and high content of protein, okay? The best one that I have found is kefir, cashew kefir or almond kefir. So what you're gonna do? You're going to add it to a glass jar or two. And then we're gonna close it tight. And now we're gonna get a pot. And to the pot, we're going to add a tea towel. Tip: if you have a tea towel that it's stained and you can't remove the stains, you use this one, okay? Because then you're going to do something that it's a trick. Like I said, you're gonna put 1 tablespoon of vinegar to this water, and then the stains are gonna go away. And then we're gonna put the jars with the yogurt. Don't let it touch each other or the border of your pot, because they might break, because it's gonna come to a simmer and the bubbles from a simmer might agitate it and they might break. So that's why, for safety. And to that, we're going to add lukewarm or room temperature water. It's important that this water covers the yogurt. All right, so now we're going to turn on the heat and we're going to let it simmer for 20, 25, 30 minutes. The important thing is that you see that the yogurt and the serum is going to separate, okay? I've been to the top of Mount Everest. And now we're going to remove the pots from the water. We're going to line a strainer with some cheesecloth. And we're gonna pour the yogurt on it. And then you wrap it, add a plate to the top of the cheese and some weight to help it drain faster. Came home to Carolina and found my love next door. Well, what do you know? I didn't have to travel the world. Yeah, what do you know? To find a brown-eyed man for a blue-eyed girl. What do you know? Somehow all that I've been longing for was found right here next door to me. I told you it was easy, didn't I? So we're gonna break the internet because there's nothing like that as a vegan cheese. Not my grandmother, my Aunt Fatima, she's been here on the video. One of her recipes, click over here, her ricotta, amazing. So check that out after the video. And now what you can do, you can add salt to it. You can add whatever herbs you like. You can add, it doesn't need it, okay? But I like to add a little bit of salt to mine and a little bit of a pepper and add herbs and add whatever. This is beautiful. And you can make, I'm crazy here because I'm excited, okay? You can make it as hard and as soft as you want. It depends on how long you press it, okay? To remove the liquid. This is beautiful. It's just beautiful. I mean, come on, don't you love me? Now you gotta, because this is amazing. Well, what do you know? I didn't have to travel the world. Yeah, what do you know? It tastes superb. It tastes amazing. This one here is the almond yogurt. plain. Oh my God, all I want to do is to devour this, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So if you'll excuse me, I'm off to enjoy this. And but before I go, I have a lot of cream cheese on my lips. So before I go, I want to let you know that it was a pleasure to be here with you through this whole year. I wanted to bring you guys a very special recipe to end the year in style. I'm not gonna cry, maybe a little bit. You guys are amazing. Your words are of encouragement, and the way you cheer for me and the way you love my babies, my sweet babies, it's beautiful, it's moving. And so thank you all. Thank you for the beautiful plate. It was all because of you. And I'll see you next year. Oh no, maybe we have one more video to go. Yes, we do. So this is it, my lovelies. I hope you enjoy your New Year's Eve, like I said in the Christmas video, wherever you are. If you're working, if you're with your family, if you're alone, it doesn't matter. Just enjoy it. Do something you like. Eat something you like. Eat this cheese. Make it for your Eve, for your New Year's Eve party. And apart from that, I love you, and I will see you next time. Have a wonderful week and New Year's Eve. Bye bye.